Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of AD Project Build. So today we're going to be working on the ST again.
Yes.
The Mondeo ST, yeah. So today we're going to be finishing off like we did last week. We went and got something else. So we're going to change the suspension and the hubs with new ball bearings. Yes. Yeah, so, and then in these, we're going to swap these out. I don't know, people call them wishbones. I don't know if it's true.
I think so.
Bottom arm. We're going to swap those out. So yeah, and this is the room we have.
Literally that much.
But you're alright, you're slim, so you should be fitting in there.
Wow, me?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You should fit in there, no?
It's him that's going to be doing the work, so...
Yeah, so yeah, we're going to just crack on with that then, yeah?
Yep.
So now we're going to take the wheels off, and then I'm going to get my slim body down in here. And I'll do these.
Look at how fast he's going. Jeez. Oh my lad.
There's faster people.
Huh?
There's faster people. Look at those people that do all those Formula 1.
That's what I'm about to say. Damn.
Do you want to take the wheel, bro?
Yeah.
Understand?
I'm just going to be your
Guide, yeah?
guide.
We're going to take this one off, the lower arm.
Huh?
And then, I don't think they can see that, bro.
Okay.
This one here, the lower arm. Can you see? This one?
Yeah.
Come on, my cameraman. This one here.
Okay.
We're going to take the lower arm off, basically. And then with the ball joint and that come off. And then we're going to take everything else off.
Yep.
Steering, brake caliper, everything.
Yep.
And then undo the 3 nuts
On the top there.
on the top. And then tap the drive shaft in that way.
Yep.
And then hopefully all of this will just come
Come
out.
on. Okay.
And then vice versa, when we put that one in, we'll put the lower arm in.
Yeah.
I think first. We'll wing it. We'll go from there.
Sweet. So what are you making there?
Just a thing to hold my caliper up.
Using what?
Just an old metal coat hanger, innit?
Alright.
Hang it up in there somewhere, like so.
Oh, I swear, okay.
That's out of me way, then. No, I could have should have took the brake pads out, but I can't be bothered. Timing is the essence. As Abby keeps saying, you gotta go faster. Faster. That should be right there. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, raw, sweet.
Hello there. Just hit my knee.
Oh, that was easy.
One disc. Right. Yeah, because one side, I don't know what side it is, makes that noise, the grinding noise.
Yeah.
When you turn and stuff. And only one way more. When you think you turn that way, it kind of like makes a massive amounts of grinding. So.
And that's due to that play thing you were just trying to wiggle.
No, this is because it's on the drive shaft.
Oh,
And the drive shaft goes down to the gearbox, isn't it?
of course.
Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry.
I was confused. He's asked me to get a tool. Oh,
Oh!
this thing in it, the fork.
Oh!
Hey, you said the first.
I can use that, but I'm not gonna use that because that tends to split the rubbers, and I don't want to
Right.
split
So
the
what does
rubbers.
this thing look like?
It's
Don't
in
be
there,
serious.
You know what we used the other day to get something off? You know I pushed the... You wasn't here.
No.
You wasn't. I was doing the Audi, and I need to get the windscreen.
There's another Audi. What?
I'm not cheating on you, don't worry.
He's cheating on me.
Top box, in the
Yeah.
red box, you'll see like two it's like what you just had, but it's got like a bolt for it. There's 2 on the top.
Oh,
They're like ball joints with it.
this thing.
No, the other one.
This thing.
Yay!
But does it have another tool in it, or is it just this one?
No,
Oh. Okay. There you go.
technically this should just push that up. That goes in there apparently. When you do that, Well, I don't like doing this way.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's going to damage the rubber, innit? Other people will be like, no, just do it. Get on, do it.
Just send it. Just send it, send it.
Is that the same size?
Hmm?
No, now you're going to have to make me change my bloody... What's this? Oh yeah, my boot's come off, look.
Oh wow.
Me boot.
So that's what that was.
Yeah. Me boot.
Your boot.
No, it does help if you go the right way down. No, I just don't like it. It's just like... I just prefer just to move it out the way and then it'll just come out on its due course. No, let's just ruin them all over. Turn the steering.
Cool.
Normally you have to move the steering slightly, but it's okay. So if you tap around the sides of here, yeah, it will kind of like loosen up, and then you just have to keep like tap. It'll come out. It's because it's tapered, you see. See, it's tapered. It's not like straight down. It's tapered.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And it goes in there. It just sits. So you have to. See? But always make sure you put the nut on and then tap the nut. No, don't hit the thread, because otherwise you damage the thread and then, well, you'll be knackered really. You'll get your thread back in.
That's it.
Abby has informed me that he doesn't think my car's gonna scrape anymore with 30mm.
Yeah, I must have seen a couple other guys that's done the same thing, or say same thing, but lowered it at 30mm, and they went over bumps with like splitters and that, and yeah, they didn't scrape. So it looks like I may have lost, you know, the bet, the bloody bet. It's okay, but let's see if it does still scrape, because I'm still intrigued.
Yeah, you think I'm still gonna scrape?
Yeah, man, just to keep it like, bruh.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that was that was no good.
Oh yeah.
I bought new bolts.
Okay.
This isn't the right bolt anyway.
Oh, this is
Keep
what
it.
you're talking about.
I can put it in my
Yeah,
bolt collection.
that's it.
Remember, I might need it again. Give me like something like a leverage, and then because I don't want to use that. Alright, yeah, it could work. It might work. This is why you need a belly. Push it in with.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Whose idea was this, did you say?
Huh?
Huh?
Whose idea?
Yeah.
Mine for keeping the damn thing.
Nah.
It's alright. Keeps me busy.
Exactly.
Keeps my bank busy as well.
Very busy.
Now we can undo the top bolts.
Okay.
Yeah, like 10 mils.
I've got that socket on there, I think.
Okay, just use the ratchet. Well, you want to use that one. So what do you use here?
30.
13.
12 is too small.
Oh, okay,
14 is loose.
Yeah, go for it. It should undo. Wow, man. Are you serious? You okay? You
Bro,
feel
I was,
okay?
I was looking at that and this at the same time.
Come on. Can you put that down? So now the lower arm is out. There we go.
Sick.
Rusty old dirty thing.
That's it.
So that was a bit of a mission to get out. Because the top bolt goes from the top up here. So you've got to...
I don't think you can see that.
I don't think they can, mate.
Go on.
So this bolt here comes out from the top, out from here, out from there. So you've got to lift it up and then you've got to jimmy the whole lower arm,
Yeah.
and then try and get it out, and then try and... Well, you've got to lower the subframe at the front and the back, and then that gives you a bit more room to get it out. Otherwise, you'll be there all day
Trying to
trying to get it out. It's a stupid design, to be honest, but there we go. So I think the next job is... I don't know what's going to be easier, if we put everything in with new suspension and spring, and then that, or... No, we'll put that in first.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll put this in, because once that knuckle everything's in the way, you're not going to get much room. Right, can I have the other one, please? So, let's get the new springs, the new shock absorber all together, with my dirty hands.
That's cool.
Let's go.
So Dan's trying to get his what? Speed sensor out.
No, ABS sensor, is it?
Oh, I don't know, something like that.
One of them.
We put them in, put it in what we just took out.
Okay, so we tried getting the old ABS sensor out from the other hub knuckle thing you call them.
Yeah.
There's no way it come out. It's broke off. It's all rusted in there, so we're gonna buy a new one.
Yep.
And then I'll put them in a later date because I don't have them in a minute.
That's cool.
And then once that's done, then yeah.
Coolio.
It's all done, bolted up. Okay, they need redoing. We have plans for these. I'm gonna powder coat them, and that. So we're gonna get a powder coating machine and then start doing those. And we're gonna match the color yellow instead of red. Something different. Back to Abby. Have you done this yet, mate? Oh, shh.
Need concentration.
Oh, sorry, he needs concentration. Okay. Is this just for one bolt?
No.
Have you done the other one?
No.
Oh, have you done any?
Yeah.
No. Okay. No. Okay, no worries. We leave you in peace then. We're gonna go somewhere else, yeah? So we're back now after like an hour or so.
Man said an hour.
No more daylight, it's gone.
Oh my lord.
And this man's only got like, what, 2 bolts off? After I cracked them off with him. No?
Listen,
Where you going, mate? Where you going under? Where you going?
Your car.
Sorry, say that again?
Nothing.
You're gonna do what to my car?
Make it love to your car.
Okay, out you go. Come on. No. You're not gonna do that to my car. That's just nasty.
Right guys, it's now the next day and I know it's kind of an abrupt ending to the previous little clip that you just saw. So we had little difficulties trying to take out the left hand side, what is it called, the drive shaft and the hub.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So what we found out, it was just literally we couldn't, tap it out and, just pull it out like we did on the right hand side. So if Dan wants to show over this side. and explain like what exactly happened was
It got stuck.
it got stuck. Yes.
There was no like explaining about it.
Yeah, it was just
You touched it.
Yeah, because every time I touch something, it breaks, innit?
So
Anyway.
basically, the dry shaft was stuck in here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're just focusing. Stupid phone.
There you go. There you go.
This is why I don't do cameras.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was basically stuck in here, and I had to, well, basically hammer it out, and then it caused more damage to the dry shaft end. Then I had to cut the dry shaft end where the bolt goes on, so I can put new thread on.
Yeah.
And this was broken in here. This bit here. Then Abby broke this one.
Wait, what? That wasn't me.
That was your side.
Yeah,
I
it was
even
my side,
I even
bro.
kept the bit.
Wow, this guy.
Evidence.
Did I actually break it though?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, cool.
I'm blaming you anyway. Okay, guys, thank you for the 203 free subscribers now. So thank you for subscribing.
That's it.
And I hope you are liking, the content that we
put out.
bring.
Huh?
Why are you going on about pull out? You mean bring to the channel? Yeah.
That's it.
So thank you guys.
That's it. Massive thank you to you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't lie. I mean, we keep saying this, but I don't think we've been this far. I don't think we, thought about going this far. But
No,
we keep
not
going.
really.
We keep increasing, which is good.
Yeah.
So
So are we gonna give a giveaway or?
Yes, we are. We definitely are.
Okay.
So stay tuned on the next video, and we have all the information that you guys need to enter this giveaway, etc. And we'll be revealing the prizes as well on the next video as well once we get them sorted.
It's gonna be the Audi, right? Audi.
What? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys like this video of the Mondeo, and more Mondeo stuff is definitely coming up. Because more interesting projects is going to happen with that car. So yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. Obviously subscribe somewhere here, there, wherever. And stay tuned for the next part. And hopefully everything goes smooth. So see you guys on the next one.